Hello, my name is Steve Brown and I'm the instructor in charge of 93 General Chemistry labs. With so many labs to supervise, you may never actually see me in the lab. But I will be working behind the scenes to ensure that your TA has all the materials and guidance needed to provide you with a high-quality laboratory experience. And should you encounter any problems your TA can't solve, I invite you to come visit me in my office. I'm in the TSO, room 201. Drop in any time, and if I'm not available, please make an appointment. It's my pleasure to welcome you to your Chemistry 152 lab experience. In all probability, you just completed 151 this past fall. I hope you had a good experience. We will continue this semester helping you learn how chemistry is used to gain new insights and solve problems. If this is your first chemistry class here at Arizona, you need to be aware that our structure may be different than what you expect. If so, please make sure you review the syllabus carefully to see how we operate. We have a busy term ahead. To ensure that you get off to a good start, here are some things to consider in your first assignment. Chemistry labs start the week of January 21st. This means the first Wednesday lab is the 22nd, the first Thursday lab the 23rd, and the first Monday lab the 27th. You must attend the first scheduled meeting of your lab class. If you do not attend, you will be administratively dropped from the whole course to make room for another student waiting to get in. If for any reason you cannot make your lab's first scheduled meeting, you can preserve your spot in the class by calling the Department of Chemistry and Biochemistry's Teaching Support Office, also known as the TSO, at 621-2555, or email us at cbc-tso@email.arizona.edu. We will use the same technique book as in the fall. Whether or not you purchase the book is up to you, but you will need to have access to a copy to complete the pre-lab assignments and perform the experiments. In addition to access to a technique book, the lab requires you to have a lab notebook, goggles, and a lab coat. The goggles need to be the kind that seal against your face. Safety glasses are not sufficient. These things are discussed in a news item in D2L and described in the technique book. You will need these things for the first lab meeting as you will be performing an experiment. To prepare you for your lab experience, we need for you to complete a number of assignments before you attend lab for the first time. They are in 2 sets and they are all in D2L. The first consists of 4 preterm quizzes. 3 of these are not graded. You get credit simply for completing them. The syllabus quiz is graded, but you will get 3 tries to do it. The other set are the materials you will need for the first experiment. It is a Beer's Law analysis. You are asked to determine the molar absorptivity of a commercial cloth dye, a portion of an experiment performed in 151. To prepare for this experiment, you need to do the following before you attend lab. You need to read the orientation guide posted to the content section of D2L. You need to complete the introductory experiment computer-graded pre-lab assignment in D2L. And you need to complete and submit the introductory experiment tag, which can be found in the content section of D2L. If you have a laptop, you should consider bringing it with you to the lab. It will be useful for data manipulation and to access things on the internet using the university's wireless network. If you have loaded Logger Pro onto your laptop, you will be able to collect data directly on your computer. If you do not bring your laptop with Logger Pro loaded, you will be dependent on your fellow group members to collect data. A news item in D2L explains how to get the Logger Pro program. Once again, I wish you all the best and hope you have a good semester. And remember, if things don't seem to be going well, please come see me and see what I can do to help. Thank you very much.